Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to a new episode of English Kuti-Nati. I'm Tajul Islam and today's I will be showing you how to pronounce the words of English. So friends, the first thing is you have to consent of our class and listen carefully. So let's start our class. So friends, last day আমরা শিখেছিলাম how to pronounce the letters of the English alphabet like a native speaker. কিভাবে একজন নেটিভ স্পিকারের মতো ইংরেজি বর্ণমালা উচ্চারণ করব। আর আজকে আমরা শিখব how to pronounce the word like a native speaker. কিভাবে একটি শব্দকে নেটিভ স্পিকারদের মতো উচ্চারণ করব।
Ah, and A-N-D, art, A-R-T, an, A-N, B, B-E-E, bat, B-A-T, boat, B-O-A-T, C, cat, C-A-T, car, C-A-R, coat, C-O-A-T, D, dad, D-A-D, door, D-O-O-R, dear, D-E-A-R, eat, E-A-T, end, E-N-D, ear, E-A-R, F, fat, F-A-T, four, F-O-U-R, fear, F-E-A-R, G, go, G-O, God, G-O-D, goat, G-O-A-T, H, hi, H-I, hey, H-A-Y, here, H-E-A-R, I, in, I-N, I, inside, I-N-S-I-D-E, J, J-O-K-E, J, J-A-Y, Jeep, J-E-E-P, K, kite, K-I-T-E, Kate, K-A-T-E, keep, K-E-E-P, L, lie, L-I-E, love, L-O-V-E, late, L-A-T-E, M, my, M-Y, make, M-A-K-E, moon, M-O-O-N, N, no, N-O, name, N-A-M-E, noon, N-O-O-N, O, on, O-N, or, O-R, open, O-P-E-N, P. P. Pan. P-A-N. Pot. P-O-T. Pour. P-O-O-R. Q. Q. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Quote. Q-U-O-T-E. R. R. Real. R-E-A-L. Rich. R-I-C-H. Right. R-I-G-H-T. S. S. So. S-O. Soon. S-O-O-N. Sit. S-I-T. T. T. Two. T-O. Two. T-O-O. Time. T-I-M-E. U. U. Under. U-N-D-E-R. Use. U-S-E. University. U-N-I-V-E-R-S-I-T-Y. V. V. Van. V-A-N. Vivid. V-I-V-I-D. Verb. V-E-R-B. W. W. Water. W-A-T-E-R. When. W-H-E-N. What. W-H-A-T. X. X. X-ray. X. R-A-Y. Y. Y. U. Y-O-U. Your. Y-O-U-R. Yam. Y-A-M. Z. Z. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A.
And that's end this episode, and now you should have a better understanding of the English Kuti-Nati. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, don't forget hit the subscribe button. See you next time.